Here's a 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Standout looks, standout capabilities, so you can stand out on the job site. Features include Vortec engine, rear-wheel drive, automatic transmission, front tow hooks, AM/FM stereo radio, 2 USB ports, manual tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, and external memory control. Kelley Blue Book explains, whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy-duty, you will likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy-duty truck. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.